Today we're 3D printing and assembling the PP7 from the video game GoldenEye N64. And the designer of these files is Arnie86, and you can find a link to the free files in the description below. So first up, I'm going to spray paint a couple of pieces, because this thing, of course, in game is silver, so we want to match that. Now I could have done the entire thing in silver, but I decided to keep a few parts in the original black, so that hopefully it has some nice contrast. So now that everything's been painted up, it's time to assemble, and the amazing thing here is we don't need any glue, so this is kind of cool. So we've got a mechanism here, we just pop this in, and then we slide this back and it'll actually lock into place. Now probably you should come back and maybe glue things in if you want, but the fact that you can take this fully apart without any glue is awesome. Next up, we've got some pressure fitted pieces, and the tolerances here are absolutely incredible. So this just gets pressured in, and you have to go quite far to get this to go in, but once it's fully in there, it's awesome. You need pliers or something to get it back out. Then we have this section that goes on top. And again, if you're not using any glue, you can disassemble all of this. I've also covered another GoldenEye gun on this channel if you want to check it out as well. But this thing looks sensational, really nice design, and the low polygon design, of course, from the game just comes out superb in 3D print. Then we're going to assemble the last few pieces. We've got this in here that goes in and out, which is absolutely cool. Of course, tiny if that was real life. And the whole thing feels quite good. I do kind of feel like maybe you'd want to bump it up about 20% in size, but still, it's cool. Then we've got the front. Now this is the only disappointing part, I think, because it's not very satisfying. The rest of it is satisfying. If this actually twisted on or something like that, it'd be perfect. But unfortunately, it doesn't. So yeah, we're done. And she looks amazing. This low polygon design from a long time ago. Just insane how a design that was never meant to be physically held looks and feels. This thing is pretty much perfect. Like I said, maybe bumping it up in size would be a good idea, but otherwise, it's just incredible.